In this video, the Scout Stamps Out of the Album. Part 1. Scout Stamps Out of the Box. Ready to dive into the world of Scout Stamps Out of the Box? Sit back and let the thrill of unboxing take you away. Leave a comment if a particular stamp catches your eye. What is your favorite Scout stamp so far? Tell us at the bottom of the video. Which Scout stamp would you like to see in your ideal collection, and why? Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on our next adventures. New. Transkei. Nauru. Bhutan. Gibraltar. Czechoslovakia. Yugoslavia. Australia. New Zealand. Philippines. Indonesia. Singapore. Japan. Korea. Haiti. Brazil. Panama. Suriname. Cuba. Paraguay. Chile. Nicaragua. Guyana. Antigua. Tunisia. Rwanda. Gabon. Madagascar. Dahomey. Mali. Togo. Tanzania. Uganda. Botswana. Upper Volta. Chad. Congo. Togo. Mauritania. Maldives. Comoros. Grenadines. Cook Islands. Dominica, Trinidad and Tobago, Saint Lucia, Vanuatu, Summer Isles, Scotland, Jordan, Dubai, Qatar, Lebanon, Syria, Manama, Sharjah and dependencies, Fujairah, Ayman. In the second part, Scout Stamps and Documents. Thank you for visiting Stamps Out of the Box. If you like this video, don't hesitate to subscribe, like, share, and comment. For other videos, please. For beginner collectors, more information in the description below the video.